We headed into Boston to give our special guest a quick tour of the city. I threw together the scavenger hunt to make it a little more exciting for the little kids. We checked off almost all of the list and saw a lot of historical sites.
We're gonna get in the car and go to Boston Harbor.
Government Center.
It was extremely hot out, so we were really tired and very thirsty.
Park the car!
It was a fun day exploring the city. Feel free to use the scavenger hunt if you visit Boston.